Welcome. Today we are going to learn exactly how to introduce yourself in Mandarin. We will be focusing on the absolute basics. These exact phrases are the ones you will use in almost every daily conversation with a native speaker. We are going to take this slowly. I will speak clearly, and we will use a simple listen and repeat approach, so you can practice out loud without any pressure. We are going to start speaking immediately, with a focus on repetition and vocal muscle memory. Look at this first word on screen. When you want to say hello in Mandarin, you use the greeting, ni hao. Now you try it. Say it with me, ni hao. Next, look at this formula. To tell someone who you are, you say, 我叫, and then you insert your own name right at the end. Literally translated, 我叫 means my name is, or I am called. Give it a try. Say 我叫 followed by your name.
Let's add some detail. We'll start by telling someone that you are from Indonesia. Here is the complete sentence. You say, 我是印度尼西亚人. That is quite long, so let's break it down. The first part is simply 我是, which means I am. The second part is 印度尼西亚人, meaning Indonesian person. Let's put it back together. Try saying the whole sentence. 我是印度尼西亚人. Let's check out this formula for stating your age. To say you are 25 years old, you use the phrase 我25岁. If you are 20 years old, you just change the number. It becomes 我20岁. For these specific phrases, you only need to swap the final noun or number to create a new sentence. Listen to how these pieces fit together naturally in a quick back and forth. 你好,你好,我叫开,我叫 Luna, 我25岁,我是印度尼西亚人. Now it is your turn. We are going to practice a simulated conversation where I prompt you and you answer out loud using the formulas we just learned. Let's begin. 你好. Now tell me your name. 我叫. Tell me where you are from. 我是. And finally, state your age. 我岁. You've successfully completed your first guided exchange using the 4 foundational steps of a Mandarin introduction. If you hesitated or stumbled on a few words, that is completely normal. Just rewind the video and practice that loop again. Look at the framework we built today. We covered the greeting, 你好, the name formula, 我叫, the origin, 我是印度尼西亚人, and the age structure, 我 number 岁. With just those 4 phrases, you now have the exact vocabulary needed to confidently introduce yourself to a native speaker. Before we finish, look at this question on screen. 你叫什么名字? That phrase means, what is your name? Your final challenge is to drop down into the comment section and answer that exact question using the Mandarin formula you learned today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more lessons, and practice your pronunciation every day. 再见.